So this is how we're going to create a variable to track points by sensing. Under the data, we're going to click Make a Variable. Make sure that it's clicked for all sprites so that it'll be active throughout every part of your program. Then you're going to name your variable. And then click OK. And what you'll notice is a new variable will pop up over here. Oh, there it is. And it will also show over here in this zone. You can click and unclick to have it show and hide. Also, within my code, when the green flag is clicked, I'm telling it to show my green car points. I want that to have happen so that those will be there. That was my variable that I had when I originally programmed this. And to set the green car points to 0 so that at the beginning the points are reset. And then you need to build in its own script this over here. When the green flag is clicked forever after, if we touch a particular color, or it could be touch a particular sprite, then we're going to change points by 1. And then we need to have the weight. Otherwise, so long that this car is on top of that pink, it's going to accumulate points like crazy. So we throw in the weight, and therefore it only gets a point every 3 seconds, which should be enough time for the car to pass over the line. And then in a different script, you'll have a forever after the green flag is clicked, if the green car points equal something, and then you decide what to have happen there. Have fun.